In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove white background in Affinity Designer. If you've ever exported a graphic and been frustrated by a solid white box around it, this walkthrough will show you how to make your document truly transparent so your artwork sits cleanly on any background. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. Give it a moment to load your document or create a new one. What we're going to do is change a single setting that controls whether the canvas has a solid fill or transparency behind your artwork. At the top of the screen, look for Document Setup. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this in the toolbar, and it's also available from the File menu if you prefer menus. Go ahead and open it. This brings up the core document settings for your project, and it's where the background behavior is controlled. Inside Document Setup, switch to the Color section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Transparent Background. Turn that on. Enabling this doesn't change your artwork. It simply removes the automatic white fill that the canvas uses by default. In other words, you're telling the document to show transparency wherever there isn't content. This is ideal for logos, icons, and any design you plan to place over photos, videos, or colored backgrounds without a white rectangle showing up. Now click OK to confirm and close the dialog. When you return to your canvas, you should notice a checkerboard pattern in any empty area. That checkerboard is the universal sign for transparency. It won't print or export as a pattern, it's just there to let you know the area is see-through. If your canvas still looks solid white, double check that transparent background is enabled and that you're looking at the base canvas, not a shape or a filled layer on top. A quick tip here, making the document transparent doesn't erase white that's baked into a placed image or a raster layer. If you imported a JPEG with a white background, that white is part of the image. You would need to remove it with a selection or masking method. But for vector artwork, shapes, and text in your document, this setting is exactly what you need. When you're ready to use your design elsewhere, export to a format that supports transparency, such as PNG, SVG, or WebP. Avoid JPEG, since it doesn't preserve transparent areas. That's it, your Affinity Designer document now has a transparent background, and your graphics will blend seamlessly wherever you place them.